Hi again, boys and girls. So I'm so excited about this part because this is when we get to open our writing notebook and we get to start writing ideas down that we could possibly use, pick one of them in the future, and write a story about. So, how do we get ideas down on paper? That's our step in our writing process, the pre writing, the brainstorming, the first part. So what you would do is you would take on the right hand side, I have like a piece of white paper, white lined paper. That is what you would use to start. Then it's like, okay, so my paper's blank. Where do I even begin? Well, things that you're familiar with, that you remember a lot about, from the anchor chart that we used before, you can write anything that comes to your mind. That's what's really fun. There's no wrong answer. I decided I would take and model for you one of the ways that we are going to brainstorm. All right, we're all going to do this one together. Some examples I do have though, the feeling hand, that's the one we're going to do. The feeling hand, and then we can get some ideas from our brain that way. We also can ever try one time ideas for writing things that you love. You would draw a big heart, then inside of it, all the things that you love. That's another great way to brainstorm. And the last one, maybe sometime you would like to try writing an expert list. And those are things that you're really, 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 really good at that you can tell us all about. So today I want us to actually do the feeling hand one together. All right. So we are on, if you see to the right, we are on page 5 of the Canvas slides. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On page 6 of the Canvas slides, that is where you are actually going to be writing. Okay? All right.